Hey guys, welcome to part 13 of my discord.py creating a Discord bot in Python video tutorial. In this video we're going to be going over three small but important commands. They are going to be pause, stop, and resume commands. And in case you didn't figure it out already, these commands are going to work hand in hand with the sort of other music bot functions that commands we've created. Such as our play command, most importantly the play command, but also as well as our join and leave commands, because naturally those will join the bot to the voice channel for us to then manipulate the audio that it produces. So anyways, let's get into these commands. They're all extremely similar and all relatively straightforward. So I'm just going to create the decorator. Pass context is equal to true. Async def pause. That will be our first command. So what we want to do is essentially we want to access our server's player. So if you remember from the play video, in this line right here, we modified this dictionary right up here and stored our player that we created using our play command, using our server ID as a key. So essentially what we're going to do is we're just going to access that by getting the ID, ctx.message.server.id, and yeah, that'll get you the server ID. Then next you're going to want to go into your player's dictionary and get the item or the value, which is our player, stored using the key ID. So just like that, we've accessed our server player, and we're just going to call our pause function on it. Now the pause function is just a function within, I guess, the player object. Don't worry about creating one or anything like that, but just players in the brackets, ID, and then dot pause with the curly bracket, or not curly, the round brackets at the end. And essentially all that's going to do is just get our ID, get our player using the ID, and running the pause function on it. So I'll show you how similar these functions are to each other. So I've now pasted 3 copies of pause, and now wherever it says pause, I'm just going to change that to stop, and wherever it says pause here, I'm going to change it to resume. That's it. That's basically how these commands work. And the only difference is the function that's being called on the player, which in the stop command's case would be stop, and in the resume command case would be resume. So that's it. Let's run the code. Head over to Discord. Bots online. Cool. So I'm going to join this channel. I'm going to type .join to bring the bot into the channel. Just going to mute myself. And I have that same song from the last video, so I'm going to type .play, play that. It is working. There we go, we have music. Just going to turn that down. Now we're going to test our 3 commands. So first we're going to do pause. Just like that, the music is paused. Now we're going to resume the audio. Works perfectly fine. And last but not least, we are going to stop it. And just like that, we've sort of created our commands to sort of manipulate the active player. Again, super simple commands, super easy to modify the player. And there are other functions that you can use. They're listed in the API. I would encourage you to go take a look, because you can create a bunch of really cool functions. Maybe I'll show you a couple more. I doubt it, but we'll see. But anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a short one, but I figured it's relevant and may or may not be important to some people, so why not make a video? If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment down below what other videos you would like me to make. And that's it. See you later. Bye.